Hi everybody. For this video, I want to share with you a website called Remind, and the intended audience for this is mainly parents, but also students as well. It is so important that we have great communication between ourselves and our parents and students. And I'm finding it very challenging right now, especially with some in-person, some remote students. That communication piece is so important right now. So this is something that I looked at a while back, but I have not implemented in my classroom yet, and I really want to. So to get started, you would just sign up or log in, and it is free. And then I've already created my account, so this is what my homepage looks like. Um, and I created a few classes over here. I have not put student information in here yet, but I have like GMS cheer because I'm a cheer coach, basketball because I'm also a basketball coach, and then I also just selected like my 6th grade ELA. You could do this by grade level. You could also do it by, like first period, second period, whatever. But I thought this is really neat because if I need to send out a remind to my parents about parent-teacher conferences or an assignment that's due or anything like that, I can do it all at once. And what's really great about this is that not only can you add an email, but you can also put in their phone numbers and they could receive a text. Of course, you'll need parents' permission. But so for 6th grade ELA, you would add people and then you would put in your student's name, their phone number or email, whichever they chose. And then also you can select the parents tab and put the parents' names in and their phone number or email, whichever they wanted, and it will email them or send them a text message with your message that you typed in there. So it's pretty cool because I can select and whatever class it is that I want to send that message out to and get people notified. So I can also add a private note and send it to like individual people. So what is this great for? It is awesome for productivity. It's awesome for managing behavior. If I have a certain student that had a rough day or has had several rough days in a row, maybe I just need to let mom or dad know. I can use this app to quickly get a hold of them and notify them of the behaviors or anything that I'm noticing that I want to convey with them. So also academic management, like if I have a student maybe that's just not turning work in, things like that, maybe I shoot them a quick text and say, look, this is concerning me. I don't want little Johnny here to get too far behind. Could you make sure he gets his homework done? Whatever. So communication, it's obviously very important for us to communicate well with our parents, and this is a great application for that to happen. And what's even better is that they don't have access to your personal phone number when you do this. Okay, so I'm still sending text messages without having to give out my personal phone number to the parents. So this is really a great way to do that.